Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch stream lag so your broadcast runs smooth and watchable. First, check your internet upload speed because unstable or low upload is the biggest cause of lag. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. Next, open your streaming software and lower your output resolution, since 720p often performs better than Full HD. Then, adjust your bit rate in the output settings and lower it slightly until lag stops. Check your encoder and switch to hardware encoding if your graphics card supports it. Close background apps that use CPU or internet, like downloads or browsers. Also, lower in-game graphics settings to reduce system load. Finally, restart your router and test your stream again. These steps usually eliminate lag and help keep your Twitch stream smooth, stable, and enjoyable for viewers. Subscribe the channel for more videos.